Hi guys, I want to say Merry Christmas to you all. Today I have a surprise video from Simply Gilded. I just wanted to undo this box for you guys on camera. I normally do it when I do hauls or anything like that, but this time I just wanted to share it with you by itself because it came early. It wasn't supposed to come into the middle of this week, but it came on Monday, which is today, which is Christmas Eve. So I definitely just wanted to share it with you guys because it's probably one of my most favorite boxes and the box with the most items. Like, as you can see, you can't even close it. So let's get started. So as you guys might or might not know, Simply Gilded does have her own subscription service where she does offer these boxes plus an add-on. If you just get the box, I do believe it's just $24, but if you get the add-on, it comes out to be like $29. I do believe that's what it is, but she has an open subscription enrollment every month during the time that the box becomes available, and you definitely can join then. But in the box, we normally get, if you don't know, a set of washi. You do get little trinkets, keychains, paper clips, planner stickers, notepads, sticky notes, little books, pouches, pens. So you get all types of things. This is her December 2018 box. It's called Royalty. So this here is the box. This is what it looks like. It is a peachy pink, one of my favorite colors. I do love peach. I don't like pink. I like peach. I'm not a pink person. It has a pretty like Tiffany blue box on the side with little rabbits and flowers and things like that there, and on the back is just Simply Gilded and then her website here, and it is foiled in gold. So inside this box we do get a foil journaling card, washi tapes, foil pocket tee and insert, polka dot pen, canvas pouch, paper clip set, foil notepad, luxe sticker sheets, and foil adhesive pockets. So we get a ton of things in here, and I'm actually going to start with the journaling card because that is the first thing that I pulled out of the box, and that's the first thing on the list. So this is a journaling card that we get here. It does say Queen and is foiled in, it looks like the champagne gold. It's so pretty. So you have two bunnies here, a crown, and then a big heart right there with a banner. And then you get two of the little hearts there in the corner, and Simply Gilded is there on the back. And I mean on the front, and then the back it's nothing on there. The next thing I want to share with you are the foil pocket tee and insert. So this says down the rabbit hole, and then it has a Simply Gilded bow right there. So this is what it looks like, just like the same pattern that was on the front of the box with the rabbits and things like that. And then on the back, down the rabbit hole, is there foil in the champagne gold. The next thing I want to share with you is the pen that comes with this kit. This guy is very heavy. The weight of it is really nice, and it opens like that, and it does have gold polka dot accents and then gold accents on the tip, and it is a gel pen. So really nice. I really like this pen. The next thing I want to share with you is something new to our boxes. I think she's had this in here like probably one other time, but this here is the paper clip set that comes in the box, and you do get 3 of them. You get a crown, a bunny, and you get a teacup. So this is what they look like here. There's the teacup, the bunny, and then the crown, and they're super cute, and they are gold, which I definitely appreciate. I am a gold and silver person. I do not like rose gold. So the next thing here is the foiled notepad. It is foiled. It has pink and white, like white polka dots on a pink background, and it does have the foiling on it as well in the gold coloring, and it is just a regular notepad, so it's not one of the adhesive ones. Sometimes you get adhesive, sometimes you do not, and it does not have adhesive on here, and it says Royalty. And the next thing I want to share with you are the luxe sticker sheets, and they are luxe because they're very thick, like if you can hear, like very thick sticker paper. So on this sheet here you do get some today, remember, important, to buy and to pay stickers. You have tea time, snack time here. You have a full box. You do have Jupiter there. Some little deco icons there. Some little smaller Jupiters there. You do get a ton of different flags, and then 3 full boxes. One says let them eat cake, Jupiter, and Juniper, I'm sorry, and then the Queen there. And then on the second sheet, you do get all of your days of the week there. Vacation, today, remember, important to do, to buy, to pay, and it just duplicates here. And then here you have more of the flags, and at the bottom you have meeting, appointment, groceries, meal plan, cleaning day, laundry day. You have date night, happy meal, celebrate, planning time, and then you have all of your check flags. So really, really nice, and it is foiled again in that champagne gold. Both are so pretty, and I definitely love these. I use these a lot on a daily planning basis, so they do come in handy. The next thing I want to share with you are the adhesive pockets that come in the box this month. And you do get two. Majority of the time you do get two of these. So on this one you do have queen, and it is foil in the champagne gold with, it has the pink pouch with the white polka dots, as you can see, and then it has a clear white background. And then this one here has the two bunnies just like on the box with the heart and the crown, and then it has a pink banner, and again it does the same exact thing. It's pink right there, and the back is see-through. So the next thing you get in the box are some Sills, and they are a little bit different than what we've had in the box before. So normally we get juniper, we get some bows, but this time we got the little teapots, which are super cute. You do get 5 of them in here, and I love that they go with the tea theme. And the next thing I want to share with you is something that wasn't on the little card, the info card letting you know what was in the box. It's a juniper little keychain dangler. She is made out of kind of like a kind of leather material. It's really sturdy. Then she does have a little hole in her ear, like her ear is pierced. I think that's adorable, with a little lobster clasp that is like super sturdy. So the next thing I want to share with you is what the washi comes in, and it normally comes in a pouch that she has put in a box. So this pouch here, they're always the stand-up pouches, so they are always the ones where if you just open it up, they stand up straight. This one here has the same artwork that the front of the box has. It has a gold zipper, which I definitely love. And then her gold zippers are always very sturdy and very strong. And then she does have Simply Gilded right there. So yeah, her pouches will always come like this with that, so you can always set them up, the canvas ones. And then I do get the add-on with my washi. So not only do I just get the washi, but I do get an add-on set. And that is the extra $5 that you end up paying. So I am going to take all of these out of their packs, and then I will show you guys, come back and show you guys exactly what I got. Okay, so here's all the washi that came in the kit. These are the add-on ones, but these will come in standard. This one here is a pink background, and it has Tea Time, Queen, Royal Fun, Let Me Eat Cake, Down the Rabbit Hole, and then it starts all over again, and it has little icons in it, and it is foiled in gold as well. This is what the washi looks up close, and it is foiled in the champagne gold. Now this next one here has the black polka dot background with like the pink roses on there, and this one is just plain, but the roses are foiled in the gold. This is what it looks like up close, that pink one. So white background with black polka dots, and then the pink roses on there. It's really, really pretty. This one here is the blue with the same background as the packaging has, and then it does have the royal crowns on there, and it is foil in gold as well. And this is what that one looks like up close, and that is the foiling of that one. So this one here is the bow washi that's included in the subscription box. You do get a 15mm and then a 10mm. I do have some inserts on my shop that will fit these perfectly. Just in case you are a collector of Simply Gilded's washi, and I'll put a link down below to my Etsy shop where you can purchase it. But this here is foil in all of gold, and then it has a white background. So this is the first time I've ever seen this in any of her washi. I'm not sure if she's done this previously, but this is my first time seeing this. This is all gold foiling, and then actual bow is white. So on both of them, the 15 and the 10 millimeter, they both have the same thing. So I think that's awesome. And I'll show you an up close look at what that looks like. So this is what the foiled washi actually looks like, and as you can see, it's all foiled. So I think this is so neat, and this will be one that I will try my best not to use. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So it's completely foiled. So these are 4 of the add-on washi. So you do get a little set of them depending on the month what you get. So they are the 5 millimeter bow washi, and they have the same bow as the 10 millimeter washi that I just showed you have. You do get a blue one in this kit, a pink one, a tan one, and then you do get the polka dot black and white ones, and they are foiled. Each bow is foiled in the champagne gold as the other ones were. Okay guys, this is the completed video. This is the Simply Gilded Royalty subscription box, and this is everything that was inside of the box. I'm really pleased with this one. This one was a huge box, and as always, if you like today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a huge thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.